Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with class 8, chapter number 12. I want everyone to come down to page number 272. Chapter number 12, page number 272. The main topic that we are going to discuss is about rectangles and square. Now, what is a rectangle? Now, what is a rectangle? Rectangle is such a parallelogram which is in this shape, and this is called the length and this is called the breadth. Here we have 90 degree, here we have 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. I want everyone to write this down where rectangle has all angles equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now we have all the angles equal to 90 degree. Here we name it A, B, C, D. Here we have AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. And we have AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. You have to write it down. Please write it down. So this was the rectangle, and now we are going to write down the properties of the rectangle. Here also we have one thing to be understood. Here we have a diagonal. This is called the diagonal. So here we have a diagonal. Okay. Now we write down the properties of a rectangle. I hope it is pretty clear. Please write it down. I give you a moment. After this, we are going to start with the properties of rectangles. Next, we come down to the topic properties of a rectangle. Please write it down. Properties of a rectangle. The first one, we'll write down point wise. The first one, the diagonals of rectangle are of equal length. Please write along with me the diagonals of rectangle are of equal length. Please write along with me. Now the second one. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. The third one, opposite sides are equal to each other. Please write it down. I give you a moment. फोर्थ वन, इसमें ही फोर्थ वन, नंबर फोर्थ, all angles of a rectangle equals to 90 degree. Number five, the diagonals of rectangle I'm writing with the black marker so you understand. Bisect each other. Number six, rectangle has four sides, four angles, and two diagonals. Please write it down. I give you a moment. Give you a moment. Please write it down. Now we come down to the next topic, that is square. Now we come down to the next topic, that is square. A square has got all angles 90 degree. Pay attention. All the angles. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. Draw the diagram of a square with a scale and pencil. All the diagrams with scale and pencil. Here we have angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D. All the angles of a square are equal to each other where it is equal to 90 degree. All the angles of the square are right angles. तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे लिख दो ब्रैकेट में right angles. यहाँ पे एक चीज याद रखो, if there is a diagonal, can you see this is a diagonal? Here also we have a diagonal. तो AC diagonal जो है AC is equal to ED. इसका मतलब हो गया diagonals are equal. ठीक है, और एक चीज मैं आपको बताऊंगा, एंड ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. आप यहाँ पे ध्यान दें, आपको पता चलेगा अगर ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है तो ये भी 3 होगा, ये 3 है तो दिस विल बी 3, दिस विल बी 3. दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जांपल. सो वी कैन राइट ओवर हियर AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Please write it down. I want everyone to write it down. I give you a moment. Okay, now we shall write the properties of the square. Put down the heading properties of a square. Put down the heading properties of a square. Properties of a square. Number one. नंबर वन ये कहता है all the sides are of the same length इसका मतलब all sides are equal we write in a proper format all sides of a square are equal to each other ठीक है now we come down to the second point क्या कहता है second point कहता है एक मिनट all angles of a square are equal and right angles. Number three ये कैसा है all diagonals are also equal all diagonals are this is A, no? equal number four ये रोम्बस का सगा भाई है इसमें एक प्रॉपर्टी है all diagonals bisect और नहीं है यहाँ पे जो आएगा दो ही तो है the diagonals bisect each other at right angle diagonals are equal इस ठीक है यहाँ पे भी इक्वल की बात है साइड्स please write it down I give you a moment everyone quick please write it down now after writing these properties of rectangles and square we come down to few of the examples that are on page number 272 so I want everyone to come down to page number 272 and look into the example number one. Now, what does this example say? The example says that find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. I want everyone to draw the diagram. I give you a second. Draw the diagram in the textbook. Now we have AB is equal to 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 5 centimeter. So what we are going to find, उसने बोला है find the length of the diagonal. जो find करना है वो तो AC है. Let us find the length of the diagonal. AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Please write along with me. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? AB is equal to 12 and BC is equal to 5. We have to find AC is equal to dash. ये आपका क्वेश्चन तो पहले तो ये समझना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टीज दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्रॉपर्टीज here we have a right angle. Whenever there is a right angle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So we can take this triangle. This triangle हो गया A, B, C, where this is 5, this is 12. This you have to find, and here it is a right angle. So we write down. Please write along with me. In triangle ABC, we can say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Please write it down. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse. We have done this type of questions in chapter number 3 and in chapter number 12 also. Whenever there is a right angle triangle के सामने वाली जो साइड होती है, साइड के सामने वाली जो साइड है उसको बोलते हैं हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. So AB square क्या होगा? AB square होगा 12 का स्क्वायर. So this is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square में हम लिखेंगे इक्वल टू 144 प्लस 25 इक्वल टू 169. अगर AC स्क्वायर जो है वो 169 हो रहा है तो AC जो है वो इसका स्क्वायर रूट होगा. I want everyone to use the chat box and put AC is equal to dash centimeter. Chat box everyone. I give you a moment. Please write it down everyone. I want everyone to put the answer in the chat box. AC is equal to dash centimeter. Complete ऐसा लिखना है कितना होगा? Please write it down. Give the answers in the chat box. I give you a moment. Okay, so the answer will be AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So the diagonal is equal to 13 centimeter. This will be your answer. Please write it down. Give me a moment. Now we jump down to the next example. That is example number 2. Example number 2 में diagram है square का. I want everyone to draw the diagram of the square that is given in the question. Example number 2 says that algebraic figure ABCD is a square. Yes, we know ABCD is a square. We have drawn it. What is the next thing? Find. जो फाइंड करना है ना वो तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा. एंगल BCA. BCA. हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? एंगल बी और ए. हमें ये वाली चीज फाइंड करनी है. ठीक है। ओके, एंगल बी सी और ए हमें ऐसा फाइंड करना है। और A। अब आपको पता है व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ स्क्वायर, बात ध्यान से सुने, दिस इज अ स्क्वायर, ठीक है। डायगोनल्स जो हैं वो इक्वल पार्ट में एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं। तो ए जो ए और यहाँ पे जो सी है वो इसको और इसको इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं। तो एज वी नो दैट स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हैविंग द एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री, सो वी राइट डाउन half multiplied by 90 degree, which is equal to 45 degree. So angle BCA 45 degree. Just write it down. This is one mark question. This is just a one mark question. This is just a one mark question. Now in this type of questions, only you have to see that here it is 90 degree, and here when you see the diagonal and diagonal bisects the 90 degree. 90 degree का half क्या होगा? It is equal to 45 degree. Please write it down. I give you a moment. Next, we come down to the next exercise 12.4. So everyone has to put down the heading of exercise 12.4. Exercise 12.4, that is on page number 273, question number 2. So here in this question number 2, we see that in the given figure SKIN is a rectangle. We draw a rectangle SKIN. Here we have the diagonals intersecting at O. We have been given that OS is equal to, मतलब ये वाला दिया गया, OS is equal to 3x plus 8. ओके, मतलब ये वाला दिया गया, ओके is equal to 5x plus 2. ओके is equal to 5x plus 2. We have to find the value of x. x की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करके लिखनी है। ये आपका होगा आंसर, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू, हमें पता है ये दोनों डायगोनल्स इक्वल है, ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पे। वी नो दैट दिस एंड दिस डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल, उसका आधा आधा हम लेंगे तो दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस। एक बार मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ, वन मोर टाइम आई रिपीट, this diagonal is equal to this diagonal because we know that both the diagonals are equal. Diagonals का आधा आधा करते हैं तो this diagonal का आधा is equal to this diagonal का आधा. So we know that here we have OK is equal to OS, right? तो अगर ये दोनों इक्वल है तो this is also equal to each other. So we write down 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. अब ये वाला जो 2 है वो इस साइड चला जाएगा और ये वाला जो 3x है वो इस साइड चला जाएगा। साइड चेंज, तो साइन भी चेंज, x वाले टर्म्स और नंबर्स एक साइड चले जाएंगे। सो वी राइट इट डाउन लाइक दिस। अब चेक करना, 8 माइनस 2 प्लस 2 इधर इधर आएगा तो माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 5x माइनस 3x। x वाले सारे टर्म्स एक साइड, नंबर्स एक साइड। जब साइड चेंज होगी तो साइड भी चेंज हो जाएगी। Now 8 minus 2 होगा 6 और 5x minus 3x होगा 2x. 6 upon 2 is equal to x. 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, साइड चेंज करेगा तो डिवीजन में आ जाएगा. एंड वी टेक द रिड्यूस्ड फॉर्म. कटिंग करेंगे यहाँ पे. 2 1 जा 2 3 जा. x इज इक्वल टू डैश. आपको चेक बॉक्स में लिखना है, ये आपका हो जाएगा आंसर. ओनली यूज द चेक बॉक्स टू आंसर. x is equal to dash. Please put your answers in the chat box only. This is 12.4, question number 2. Please write it down. First you write this and then you write this one. Fine. I hope everyone has written. The answer is equal to 3. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. मैंने लिख दिया है. X is equal to 3. So we come down to the next set of questions. I want everyone to write it down. Next set of questions. Question number 3. Exercise 12.4, page 273. Question number 3 says that the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD. पहले तो हम rectangle draw करेंगे. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D. In this, we have a diagonal intersect at O. If angle BOC, मतलब angle BOC ये वाला जो है वो हो जाएगा 52 डिग्री. यहाँ पे लिखते हैं एंगल BOC इज इक्वल टू 52 डिग्री. BOC इज इक्वल टू 52 डिग्री. ये क्वेश्चन में दिया गया. It is given in the question itself. Angle BOC is equal to 52 degree. We have to find angle ODA. OA. ये वाला फाइंड करना है. Very simple question. Please try to understand the way I solve. पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये और ये एंगल सेम होते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. ये और ये एंगल्स जो है वो हमेशा इक्वल होते हैं. अगर ये 52 है तो ये भी 52 होगा. राइट. सो एंगल BOC इज इक्वल टू एंगल, देखो BOC, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. BOC इज इक्वल टू AOD. BOC इज इक्वल टू AOD. अगर BOC 52 है तो AOD भी 52 ही होगा. So I write down angle AOD is equal to 52 degree. ये भी 52 ही होगा. अब हम ये ट्रायंगल को अलग से बाहर निकाल देते हैं. ये जो है वो है A है और D है. हमें फाइंड क्या करने को बोला है? ODA. ये वाला फाइंड करने के लिए बोला है. ठीक है. अगर ये जो है वो 52 है तो ये और ये इक्वल ही होंगे. तो x और ये हो गया x. So we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So we write down over here x plus 52 is equal to 180 degree. x plus x हो गया 2x plus 52 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 52 degree. Step by step लिख रहा हूँ. X is equal to 180 minus 52, that comes up to 128 degree. अभी ये 2 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. जब साइन चेंज करेगा, we know that when the numbers are changing the sign, it changes the sign also. तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. X is equal to 128 divided by 2, which is equal to dash degree. So angle A, sorry, angle OBA is equal to dash degree. ये आपका हो जाएगा आंसर. Please write the answer in the chat box, everyone.